our leader, you see, the Prime Minister of the exile government. Right from the beginning, you see, although this is de facto sort of the exile government, but you see, we never use the word exile government. So we never use the Prime Minister. So therefore, we usually describe the political leader of our central administration, like that, political leader of our community. That's all. So the Prime Minister, this word, again means, you see, above Prime Minister, either President or something, or King. I completely retired. Or ordinary citizen of Tibet, or like that. So actually he, like President, all power in his hand. So I usually, you see, make clear that, firstly, we are not seeking independence. I think some young Tibetan may sort of against that. But think more seriously, holistic way, and realistic way. Leave aside emotion. This is a serious matter, our struggle. So we must be realistic. In order to develop realistic sort of approach, we have to know all the reality, holistic. So sometimes you see the people, you see, loves comparison.